In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Microsoft Teams. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're looking to share resources, direct your colleagues to important documents, or just add some flair to your messages. So, let's dive into the process and make sure that by the end of this video, you're confident with hyperlinking in Microsoft Teams. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the chat or channel where you want to send a message containing a hyperlink. It's important to start from the right place, so whether it's a private conversation or a group discussion, make sure you're ready to type where you want the message to appear. Now, compose your message as you normally would. This could be anything from a single word you want to link to an entire sentence or paragraph. Keep in mind that context is key here. Make your message relevant to the hyperlink so your recipients know why they should follow the link. Once your message is drafted, highlight the part of the text you wish to turn into a hyperlink. This usually involves clicking and dragging your mouse over the text portion you want to link, which allows you to focus on the exact words or phrases your link will be associated with. Here's where the linking happens. Look for the toolbar at the bottom of the message box. You'll notice a chain link icon. This is typically used for inserting hyperlinks. Once you've highlighted your desired text, click on that chain link icon. This action will open a small window where you can enter the URL you want to link to. Go ahead and paste your link into the URL field. Make sure it's accurate, as a broken link won't be helpful to anyone. After pasting the URL, you'll need to double-check that both your URL and the highlighted text are correct. Verification at this point prevents unintentional errors. Once you're certain everything is in order, hit the Insert button. At this point, you'll notice your highlighted text will change appearance, typically underlined or in a different color, indicating it has been successfully hyperlinked. Now, before finalizing, it's always a good practice to preview your message. This is where you get a last chance to ensure everything looks right and functions as it should. If you're happy with how everything appears, go ahead and hit the Send button. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a hyperlink in Microsoft Teams. Remember, hyperlinks are a great way to enhance your communication by directing users to useful resources and additional information. So make sure to use this feature to its fullest potential. Whether you're pointing someone to an external website, an important document, or a crucial internal page, now you can do it with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy hyperlinking!